I just left Phuket and I'm on the halfway to Krabi. So this is like a almost 200 kilometers road. I just stopped in the one petrol station, going to 7-Eleven, having some refreshments, having some drink. There is the Cafe Amazon, and this is like one of the petrol station. And also just behind me, this is very nice road, actually dual carriageway, going to Krabi, road number 4. So it's actually pretty nice, and also you can find a very nice views around like this one. So anyways, still 1.5 hours, about 90 kilometers to Krabi. I will see you there. That was the ride, guys. 195 kilometers and 3 hours exactly to come here with the two stops to buy gas and one time to take a rest, one stop to take a rest and you know, have a drink. Now I'm in the Krabi. It's about 3:30 p.m. and I'm looking to get a boat to going to famous legendary Railay Beach, because I think if you are in Krabi you have to go to the beach, you have to take a long tail boat, and I'm afraid as the boats are there. And if it's true, that means I'm probably gonna get wet badly, and also I have to come back home today. So I will be back like at 10-11 p.m. But that's not the problem. Let's try to get to the Railay Beach now. Just parked my bike in the small alley. There are so many restaurants and the hotels where cars not allowed to go. I'm heading to find a ticket to long-tail boat to go to the Railay Beach. On one of the junctions, the street is actually very small. Krabi, it's very small. There is like a ticket office on long-tail boat service club. I'm gonna buy the ticket. I know as you have to wait for some people, so let's see. Got my tickets. One is white, one is blue, 100 baht one way. I book return because I don't want to stuck there. Imagine stuck there, that will be a big problem. I think I'm gonna go now because all of these people are going and they said I'm gonna go with them, so let's go. So I think with that I was very lucky because I just bought ticket and just directly I'm gonna depart to the Railay Beach. I read the Google reviews before I go there and buy the ticket from them, and they said, somebody said it's even 45 minutes, 1 hour to wait to age people, so at least something lucky today. Lucky as I took the shoes, by the way, look how I get a sunburn. Looks so serious. So lucky as I took my sandal, because have to walk pretty far to the ocean. I hope so. I really hope as I'm not gonna get wet or something, because like I said, that will be very bad. But the water is warm. The weather is beautiful today. No rain, nothing to complain about. Some other people, they even carry the luggage somewhere, so I don't know. But the water is pretty deep. Keep it in mind, guys. I made it to Railey Beach. That was the ride, guys. Lucky as my drone back is waterproof, so I could put my motorbike keys and everything, and my camera is water resistant, because I can warrant you, you're gonna get wet over here. And this is the Railey Beach. I just make to the shore, like in the movie The Lost, you know, you watch the series The Lost, is something like that. Actually, the one of the actors there, they said as he was in Phuket, so that's pretty makes sense, everything. Beach looks pretty nice, not so busy. It's middle of the low rain season. Let's see what we can find here. All right, change of plans. I just realized that I left my Jordan sandals on board of the boat. Unbelievable. Thank you. My sandals are on the water. The captain showed to me. Happy days. When you're traveling on the islands, it's so much fun, actually, guys. Anyways, it's 4:30, it's time for me to having some drink, Railay Beach Cafe, whatever. There are only a few cafes and few resorts around, and that's it, that's it actually. Got my favorite drink in Thailand, Schweppes lemon, whatever, just 30 baht. I was surprised, as I was thinking as in the tourist places like this one, there will be at least 100 baht or 200 baht. In Bali could be like that, or in Indonesia in general, but seems like it's still not so bad. And well, the beach is beautiful here. However, I don't know what else I can see. So let's get deep inside maybe, and then I'm gonna fly drone a little bit from this place. So deep inside the village, like you have of course the bars and some boutiques, some boats center. You can buy the tickets to Fifi or different islands. Few little bars where you could have some lunch, some snack. Many things are still closed. You could buy the volleyball ball. There's even ATM on the Railey Beach. Here is some reggae bar or something like that, but not so many people. Hello. Pretty that's it. Let's see deep inside what's going on. Even delivery shop. Another reggae bar. This is little bit like a reggae village, I could say. Definitely there must be magic mushrooms here, and there's so much marijuana because of course marijuana is legal, magic mushrooms not, but this is little bit like a Gili vibe. You know, like in Bali you can go to Gili Islands, something like that, but less popular. There is basically like a little village full of the bars, like happy bars, reggae bars, stuff like this, restaurants, hello, coco. Like a cozy vibes, I could say, very easy vibes, like reggae vibe, I could say, something like that. You see many options. Hello. You can find many things. Many places are also abandoned here. This is probably the victims of, you know, pandemic and stuff, and seems like it's also pretty deserted. I mean, it's like 4 p.m. 4:30. This is like nice looking bar over here, and nobody is sitting around. The street also doesn't look like very optimistic. This is like, you know, but some people might really enjoy it actually over here, I think. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? The pirate's house, maybe literally the pirate's house. You can have a wooden pizza over there. That's actually pretty cool. And another reggae bar over here. Here we go. There is like a little coffee station over here as well. Here we go, so cool. A lot of cool places for some of you guys. By the beach there are also some accommodations option directly facing the beach, like bungalows or something like this one. However, I'm not sure if it's operated and open, but probably yes, because it actually looks pretty as the restaurant is open, and overall the beach situation like this one, guys. that was the ride, guys. It's actually super cool, definitely worth it, but it's not for everyone. If you are a traveler like me, definitely you will enjoy it. If you are typical holiday maker coming to just for holidays, that will be very hard. And I'm not sure if the vibe there is for you, because it's everything like a reggae. In general, Krabi feels like a reggae vibe. Now I just come back to our Nang city in Krabi. I'm gonna go back to my bike because they drop us like a 1 kilometer on the different beach, probably just to, you know, this like a kind of business. You have to take a taxi or have a walk. And then I'm gonna have somewhere the lunch or dinner, actually dinner. It's already like 6 o'clock. In half hour will be the sunset, and then I have to go back 200 kilometers back to South Phuket. That's another 3 hours drive, but I'm gonna do it at night. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the street. How's the life going here by night? That's the little bit of the main road situation. Like it's the main road, promenade, the beach, and now is the time for the sunset. So many people coming watching the sunset. It's gonna be very, very soon today, and the weather is so cool. This is the symbol of Krabi, this I don't know, shark or whatever it is. There's some Thai performance here, and many people coming to watching sunset, obviously. What is just around here? Check this out, so cool. This is actually a very beautiful shot with the dancer, the symbol, and the Krabi and sunset. Stopped a little bit on the promenade just to watch sunset because it's so beautiful here. Maybe this is the place where finally I'm gonna watch the proper sunset during the monsoon season in Thailand. By the way, check this out, my skin. I got a little bit sunburned driving the motorbike for 3 hours. I started at 12. After 12:30 I arrived at 3:30 here. I need to go to find aloe vera. I'm gonna show you in case if you're gonna get sunburned what to do. It was the sunset, and now is the shop full of the restaurants, it's the shops, the Italian cuisines, the merchandises, the taxi, everything what you would like to imagine is here, even the Indian cuisine, everything. But I'm going to 7-Eleven or a pharmacy to find the aloe vera gel. I need this because I already feel painful on my hands. They have a McDonald's here, actually, and bar next to McDonald's as well, but the McDonald's. But I'm today looking for Watson. This is like a cosmetics and should be pharmacy also. Maybe they have what I'm looking for. Aloe vera. Because when you enter you have a sun cream, so I'm not using them, but the aloe vera is very good. 180 baht, not so bad. And well, many other stuff, by the way, you can find here, of course. Got my aloe vera, so happy for that. I'm gonna have a pizza somewhere because I see so many Italian restaurants over here. Meanwhile, there are even fire performances on the beach in Krabi. And the guy is on the wheelchair, but he not give up in his life. That's the most important thing, guys. Always remember that. So this is the fire performance, and the sky was like that after the sunset. Here we go, this is my dinner for today. Beautiful capricciosa pizza for 200 baht with the very nice restaurant, the Italian restaurant over here on the top floor overlooking the street and the beach, and the fire performance, if they have it, is finished. Alright, I'm in the halfway again from Krabi to Phuket. Actually, I stopped on this exactly same petrol station when on the way to Krabi, so I know where I am. About half hour to Phuket Island to the bridge, and another 1 hour to home, so 1.5 hours to back home. I did already 286 kilometers, so approximately 100 kilometers, maybe 90 kilometers left to do. So about 380-400 kilometers if you want to do it one day trip. This is what I did actually when you are watching this video. I think it's not really recommended to do it by bike. I got very badly sunburn and it's very tiring actually. I think I'm not 20 anymore, I'm 30 and I feel the pain already. Next time I will definitely rent the car if I will do something like that. However, definitely Krabi is worth to visit. Highly recommended, but just take a car or fly maybe, because you can also fly to Krabi. Meanwhile, thank you so much for listening today, watching. I will see you tomorrow as always.